Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you think I'm looking absolutely weird. I haven't really forgotten how to film. This video is, like you can tell by the title, a full face of first impressions. Now I've already done my foundation and I've already done like eyeshadow because my eyeshadow is an old one that I've already like just done a basic eye look with an old eyeshadow. But my foundation is a new one and my primer is a new one. But I'm doing a full video on first impressions and wear test and a demo on this foundation. This is my Huda Beauty Pop Filter foundation and I have this in the shade 340G Baklava. This is an absolutely new foundation. You can already tell that it's not exactly my skin color. I don't know. But I thought instead of doing it in this video, I thought I'd do a full video for this. I'm wearing the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer underneath this because I needed something more moisturizing for a full coverage heavy foundation like this. So yeah, my face is also brand new and the first impression honestly is that it's not my skin color. The foundation has this really heavy smell. I really like the primer. It's probably giving me a glow even through this heavy foundation. This primer is probably the one that's responsible for that satin sort of a finish, that if you can already see that tiny bit of a glow, it's probably the primer. I like the primer. It's really hydrating and it's really moisturizing. And the foundation, I've just applied it and as you can tell, it's full coverage. I do need the rest of my makeup to feel like a normal person because right now this foundation is just making me feel like a ghost. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm using the new Wet n Wild concealer. It's the Photo Focus concealer and I have this in the shade light medium beige. Came in this box and it's cruelty free. I really like that about Wet n Wild. The bottle is reminiscent of the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but that's a slightly thinner and bigger. I've heard great things about this concealer, so let's just see how this goes. I'm just going to put it on the regular places that I do. The Wet n Wild foundation, if I'm not wrong, is for around 399, 350, 399 rupees on Nykaa. I got this from Nykaa. I wanted to try out like a lot of new makeup and I wasn't well, so I was just sitting in bed, lying in bed and ordering a lot of like things online. I'm going to do a proper haul because I'm not going to be able to use all of this makeup in one video, but I'm just going to finish this makeup and then shoot a haul. I really like this concealer. It's a nice, like it has this peachy undertone and it's totally brightening up my under eyes. Like I didn't need much of concealing after the Huda Beauty foundation because it was definitely covering so much and so well. I didn't need a concealer. I don't, because I do have like a lot of these things here happening under my skin because I wasn't well for the 50th time that I'm telling you this. But it was a dream to blend this concealer even though I left it on my skin for a while. Okay, so I can't wait to powder all of this, but before I powder this, I have a new product from MAC. This is the cream color base and this is in the shade Hush. And oh, I'm so sorry. So yeah, this is in the shade Hush. It's a cream color base. It's a cream highlighter. And if you know me, you know about my love for highlighters. It's a nice peachy colored highlighter with some shimmer. Like there's no shimmer through this, but there's this sheen through this, which is definitely something that's going to give you a very healthy and very natural look. It's not going to be like a boom in your face highlight. So I don't know if I'm going to like it and how much of it am I going to like. I don't know if you can see this. I didn't think that I would like the cream color base much. Like if you want something more evident, then you should try the one in Pearl because that has this yellow thing with a golden shimmer running through it. So that's probably going to be a lot more evident on your skin than Hush is. For skin tones like mine, like medium deep Indian skin tones. Okay, so after that, I can't wait to use this highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild. Oh no, wait, I need to first yeah, set my face. Okay, so this is not a first impression. This is a new product that I've just bought. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural, and this is in the shade medium plus. Now I've always had max, no, now I've always had this in medium plus. Those of you all who know me from my blogging days know that this used to be my absolute favorite product. Like all through my college, I think all I did was put this and use some Fix Plus on my face and I used to be done. So now it's a new packaging, and this I got for, I probably got for about 28.50 it says. Did I get for 28.50 or 2600? I'm not sure. I think 2600. But this is what it looks like right now, and I'm just going to set under my eyes. And my forehead and all of that where I'm sweating right now. Anyway, I'm just going to take this on this tulip shaped brush and brush it under my eyes to set my concealer. Okay, can somebody tell me where I can get the Laura Mercier loose powder, because I really want to try that and I don't know where I can get it in India. So please let me know where you buy all those things from and where I can buy it, like an Instagram shop or something. A quick tip and a quick review on this brush: don't buy it. It's a nice shape and it's nice and fluffy, but it's very pokey. Like setting under my eyes is a pain with this brush, and it sheds. I'm just going to put this all over my face, everywhere, where I'm going to put bronzer and stuff like that. So I'm just going to put it everywhere. You know, I really like the fact that this foundation, this MAC Hush, this does peek through even after I put this on top of it. You know the highlighter I'm really excited to try. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade, oh, Precious Petals. So it's so pretty, like I really love the way this looks. It's so, like, can you see that? So reflective, and it has this beautiful petal motif here too. I'm going to use my Real Technique setting brush as always for this. Put it where I had put my highlighter. Okay, I really like this. Wow. I really like this. Like, I want to just lather this all over my face. And it's so funny because, you know, when I touched this, it's not like the Mary Luminizer, it's not like that soft, but it's there. Like, it's still like a very good quality highlighter. It's beautiful on the skin. Okay, can you see the glow? Can you see the glow? And this is just the one in pearl. So it's so natural, so absolutely natural. Like, this is there. And now you see this glow, and I'm just going to put this on top and then you'll see what I mean. So I have two more new products over here. This is the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. And this is the first time I'm using a brow pencil like this. You know that I'm very loyal to my brush and powder technique. So this is the first time I'm doing this, and I was really excited about this product because I think it reminds me of one of those Benefit ones, you know, the goof proof pencils. And you know, when I just put it under my eyes, I can already tell that this is exactly the color of my brows. So it's going to be the most natural looking thing ever to fill my brows. So I really like the way this has done my brows. I really do. And I think this pencil is for another ₹3.99 rupees too. Like, this is my undone brow. I just started it, and this is my done brow. You can tell how natural this looks, and just defined but natural. I really like it. It does come with a spoolie on the other end that I'm most excited about. So that's done, my brows are done, and the next eye product that I have is this Essence Extra Long Lasting Eyeliner Pen, and this is a felt tip pen. Now, I don't really like felt tip pens much. I prefer a brush tip, but let's see. It's a little too thick for my liking. Like I don't have the control to go thick or thin, it's already thick. And this is the first time I'm applying it and I can already feel like it's being all dry. Oh, so this is a brush that's very bendy. Can you see that it's a felt tip that's very bendy? So it's like a brush and that's the thinnest line. The longer line is the thinnest line I could draw with it. I don't like this pen. I don't think I'm ever using this again. I got this on a discount, maybe for 175, 180 rupees, I'm not sure. But somewhere with a discount I got it. And I don't like it. I just realized that I do have a new mascara as well, and this is a MAC in Extreme Dimensions 3D Black Lash Mascara. And this mascara is a gift with purchase from MAC when I purchased a couple of things from Nykaa. It's done nothing for my eyelashes, like it's done nothing for my volume. It's given me length but zero volume. I don't love this mascara. You know, the gift with purchase that I absolutely loved was the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. That was amazing. And yeah, what else? What else am I left with right now? So I'm left with the bronzer, and I got this Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm. Finally. This I got it for 1399, 1400 rupees. And I really like the packaging. It's a perfect size, I feel, and it's pretty good. Like the quantity is decent. I like it. On my Real Techniques blush brush, and because it's a nice tulip shaped brush, and I'm going to pinch it, flatten it out a little, and just line buff it into the hollows of my cheeks. I know the highlighter is supposed to go last. I just got a little too carried away and excited with my highlighter. I like the bronzer. I can already tell that I do like it. Can you see? Can you tell? This is the MAC Technical eyeliner, and I'm just going to put it like tight line with it. My eyeliner looks terrible. Honestly, it looks terrible, and it was a pain to apply. It was just too painful to apply. I'm never going to struggle with this eyeliner again, ever. Thankfully, I didn't waste a lot of money on it. But that was it, and I'm just left with some lips to do. And for that, I do have a few options, but I think I'm going to apply this lip gloss, and this is the Essence XXL Shine Lip Gloss, and this is the shade True Love. It's a nice lip gloss. I've already used this, I'll be honest, because I couldn't wait. But I really have to tell you that I love the wand of this lip gloss. It's in this, it's bendy, the wand is bendy, and it's a nice color. It's really shiny and nice. It's just that if you read XXL, you just expect it to be a lot more shiny than it is. But do you see how the wand bends? I just have to mention one thing. Like this lip gloss, when I opened it, it said contains carmine. Now carmine, after I googled, because I wasn't aware, carmine is this, I think it's a red pigment that you get when you crush a few insects. Now I'm a vegetarian. I don't think I'm going to be using this lip gloss again, just because I'm not comfortable with the fact that insects were crushed and killed for something like this. It's just pointless. So I'm just going to let you guys know that it's there. I like the texture of this lip gloss. It's shiny and it's nice. I just like this one lip gloss from the entire range, because I've seen a couple of shades from this range that did not contain carmine. I did not know. This is the first time I've encountered this word. I didn't like any of those other ones initially, because they were just like no pigment, they're all like transparent glosses. This I liked. It's not very expensive. I think it's about 200 rupees or 150 rupees or something like that. It was really okay. 229. I got 50 off, 50% off. So it was probably 150 rupees or something. I got it for 100 and something rupees. So I got it for like around 150, 130 rupees. I'm not sure. It was not very expensive. So I don't feel very bad that a product is going waste. I like the applicator, I like everything else about it, but I don't like the fact that insects were killed for something like this. Now, okay, I just have to tell you one thing that I really wish Nykaa would have, because Nykaa is like the biggest beauty product, skincare thing portal in India, where you can buy everything. Like I wasn't well, I was in no position to go out and shop. I went to Nykaa, I shopped for everything. I just wish that they would, put like a green symbol or a red symbol, with products that are completely vegan or vegetarian or products that are not. So it would, so customers could make an informed choice. Something's blinking there. Okay, so customers could make an informed choice. That would just be great. I don't feel bad right now because I didn't waste a lot of money on this, but I would have totally be bummed if I would have wasted like more money on it. I would have probably been really bummed about it. So I just wish that Nykaa, if you are listening, please do that, because it'll be really helpful and it's just going to help people out more. It's just going to make things easier. Anyway, that was it. I just put on like a full face of new makeup and it's making me feel really happy. I just had a coughing fit and it's making me feel good, and it's making me really happy. It's making me feel really good. I like the way my new makeup looks on my skin. And I'm going to film a quick haul video, and I'm going to go finish my first impressions video of my foundation, and I'm really excited about my new makeup. I just wish that it wasn't this hot, because I feel like my makeup is just going to come off in the next 15 minutes if I don't film the other video now. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Bye.